long has it been since you've been on a plane?
September 2019.
I actually can't remember the last time I went on a plane at all.
I don't taste that blood anymore. When I bite my tongue like before. I don't chip my teeth anymore. When I bite my tongue like before.
It looks really cute. That's our hot tub.
Where?
Right there.
You are so rugged up.
I'm so what?
Rugged up. You little hat on.
Hello. We are in Tasmania. I'm cold. I think we have to get outside. The sunrise is too pretty. Where are we staying? Buckland?
Yeah, it's Buckland or Tramley Farm. Oh, look at the ship.
I know, I was just looking at that.
I woke up with you on my mind. Watch the air turn as you breathe.
Guys, the best part of where we're staying is that there's a hot tub. Oh, but it's still steamy.
You set my soul on fire. You pull my heartbeat toward the sun.
Woo! I'm going a little bit light because I don't want to kill myself.
That's what they all say.
Maybe I'm not cut out for the wood chopping after all. I was expecting it to be freezing here, but it's actually a lot warmer than I thought. Although I do have thermals on right now, and a jumper, and a jumpsuit, and a beanie and gloves, and a scarf, and boots and socks. There's a dog, there's a dog, there's a dog, 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 there's a dog. Yeah! First activity in Tasmania is shooting guns. Don't know how I got into this. Okay, all done with clay shooting. To be honest, wasn't my favorite. Don't love the feeling of shooting a gun and my shoulder's really sore, but it was a good experience and I'm glad I did it. But now we are just down south a bit and we're going on a hike at Cape Hoy. And apparently this hike is really beautiful. It's right on the ocean. It's a 4-hour return hike. I just had the best fish burger. It was absolutely massive and it's gonna keep me fueled for this big hike. It's raining, but it's nice. Pretty. There's nothing like a morning hot tub to start your day when in Tasmania. Alright, a quick outfit of the day. I'm wearing Rowie head to toe. This is their new black knit dress. Don't know if you guys can see that there. That's kind of, yep, there we go. And I'm wearing their cream cardigan over the top, and it's like a full long sleeve. I have thermals underneath. Of course, and my beanie, and also last season's Rowie woolly jacket. Hi! Hello! My goodness! Hello, baby!
Oh, this is lovely temperature here.
Driving in the fast lane, can't slow down.
Today's adventure is starting off with
forever. Just give me a nickel. I toss it in your wishing well. You're beautiful as ever, and I just can't help myself.
It's a video.
You recorded it, didn't you?
Yeah. Why are you holding it that way?
To make sure you could see it more.
Oh no, but you can't do that.
Why?
Because it's for YouTube.
Do it again.
Wait, that was bad.
I got a fever, 103. You make me a believer.
Oldest bridge in Australia. Wow.
I won't slow down. I won't slow down.
Guys, I'm wearing red lipstick. This never happens. Do you like it?
Oh, cute.
Cute.
Cute. Look ravishing.
Thank you. I feel like I kind of want an apple.
That's rare.
Oh. God, it's the coldest morning yet. Hey! Give me that. I really liked it here.
It's not a waste of feeling kept trace, but I can tell no one told you.
Do you reckon we go up that side?
I think we go up this one with a very high peak.
Oh, up there. Today we're doing the Wineglass Bay hike, and I think it's going to be very steep.
It says, great care should be taken and only attempted if you are fit, have a head for heights and experience with rock scrambling. Like tick, tick, tick for you.
Experience with rock scrambling. But experience well-equipped walkers only. Not well-equipped. Not physically fit. Definitely not experienced.
Officially a mountain chicken.
A mountain chicken.
For a few minutes.
Ah, God, I haven't eaten alcohol in so long. Solid hike, highly recommend. Not as scary as I thought it was going to be. Still a little bit challenging. Definitely on the way down, my knees are sore. I think I'm gonna need another hot tub tonight. Guys, every time I get into the car, August starts playing. I'm not even kidding you. Even when we're not listening to Taylor Swift, this comes on every single time I plug it in.
I need to just buy this car.
To our new Airbnb. Why did I say that like an American? Airbnb. And this is our view. So freezing out here. Oh, it's so nice. Oh my god. Oh, you can kind of see the stars.
Or we could do, if we have brekkie for an hour. That might work out. I want to feed baby Tasmanian devils and wombats.
I want to feed baby Tasmanian devils as well.
That looks like dodgy as hell.
Story of my life. That's the very. I just use random objects for tripods all times. Good morning. It's our fifth day in Tasmania, and we are in what did I keep saying? Bicheno. Okay, Bicheno. We're in Bicheno, and we're staying at this little Airbnb right on the ocean, and it's really beautiful. The sunrise this morning was pretty spectacular. And today we're having a chill day. No hikes today, but a little bit of adventures. We're gonna go up to Bay of Fires, and we're gonna feed some Tasmanian devils this morning, which is really cool because I've never seen them. I don't even know what they look like. You wanna do that face on camera?
No.
They're only in Tasmania, so they're very endangered. So we're gonna go check them out. So stop doing, oh my god, I can see you in the reflection. That's the plan. We're just gonna kind of explore today and see a little bit more of Tasmania and the East Coast.
Peas in there.
Is there?
Yeah.
I hate that. Oh my god, I hate that. I'm so unimpressed. Who puts peas in avocado?
Through summer.
Wow.
Very, very, very good at destroying items. Sunglasses and phones are the main ones. But yeah, if you do drop something in your bike,
My phone's in my pocket. No, that's way too risky.
at the moment,
He's got a Joey. He's got a Joey.
but yeah, basically it does change. So our devils can't see very well. I think that's going to have.
Oh my goodness. He's so cute. Hello. Did I wake you? You want some food? Wake you up from your nap. We better give you something, huh?
Give you one.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
So you can see a little bit of that bite force there. It is pretty amazing. Yeah, strongest bite force out of any of the mammals for their weight. So they have incredible jaws.
Okay, that was pretty cool. The little devils were very interesting. They kind of look like little bears, in my opinion.
Evil bear.
Like little evil bears that kill everything. The name is very suited, that's for sure. On to the next Bay of Fires.
I'm a free man, I don't care what they would say, 'cause I am free from these prison gates. I said
Okay, it's 5:37.
Late on time?
40 minutes late.
running after us, I was screaming, go, go, go. Like your hands up in my hair, just so gorgeous, it actually hurt.
Pretty
My dreams.
Oh my god, that looks so bad.
good.
Is it good? The bread is like soggy.
The oil. Do you want some more bacon? You want a bite of this one to make it fair?
No.
Bonny is a warm weather creature.
It's true.
You could say weakness is cold.
It's my only weakness. What else are you gonna add to that list?
There's other weaknesses in nerdy boys.
True.
Taylor Swift.
Yeah. I mean, Taylor Swift's kind of my strength
And weakness.
and weakness. Oh, I love Taylor Swift. I had a dream last night that me and Emily met her, but she only said hello to Emily. And I was so upset. I was happy for Em though. So, this morning we're on our way to do the Dove Lake walk at Cradle Mountain. It's a 4-hour drive. Also, just so you guys know, my legs aren't doing well after all this hiking. Particularly my right quad from that horrendous mountain we did the other day. Beautiful view though.
If I'd had it my way, we'd be doing Cradle Mountain today.
Okay, that is such a lie. You wouldn't even get out of bed this morning. reached Dove Lake. My favourite walk of the trip. 10 out of 10. Recommend. Yeah, it's because it was flat the whole time.